If someone ever says all ratchets are created equal, I want them to take a look at this ratchet because it has a nifty feature that many of us struggle with when we've broken a fastener free and we're trying to get it off the rest of the way and we don't want to maybe use our hands because it hurts, or the ratchet doesn't swing because it's not able to engage the teeth. The knurling here on the head of the ratchet makes it so that you can loosen a fastener, I guess tighten something rather quickly rather than having to use your fingers. But as you can hear, this ratchet could use some maintenance because that metal on metal contact is going to prematurely wear this away. So if you have a ratchet like this, it's very easy. You can see here around the front of the ratchet, there's this black clip, and we're just going to look for the end of that clip. As you can see right here, because this circ clip retains the head of the ratchet on. So if we just put our pick underneath it, we should be able to get it off. And just like that, it comes right off. Now let's clean these teeth with our wire brush. Make sure there's nothing broken or chipped inside. Looks like everything is good to go. So we'll put our grease on and apply liberally. Then push it back together, just like that. Actually try and reuse some of this grease. And now insert the circ ring back. Easiest way to do that is just to get one end pulled out like this. And then start that around. What do you say? How does it sound now? Questions, comments, or tips, please put them below. I appreciate you watching as I repaired and gave this maintenance to the Husky 20202 1/4" ratchet. Appreciate you watching. Check out my other videos. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you in the next one.